this video, I will share with you how to connect your OctaFX account with MetaTrader 5. So friends, follow me on this guide and let's get started. First, open your MetaTrader 5 account and then go to the file section. On the file, go to login with trade account from here, and then all you have to do, you can choose this server from here. Choose OctaFX demo, for example this one, and then log in with your all information, with your credentialing information. Log in with your username and password. Come from here, guys. On the OctaFX you can find your password. For example, this is password. You can find your password here and then log in, or you can connect or log in. Click open account, this is new option, and then search for OctaFX, this one. Click from here. This is the second method, guys. Click this one, click next, and then right open a demo account, and then click connect with existing trade account. Choose OctaFX demo, this for the server, and then click login option and password. Click finish. This is how we can do, guys, to do login and connect with OctaFX. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video for more content, and see you in another video soon. Keep watching.